houses where people no longer live, they're misdirected. And I think they will create a situation where they could easily create a situation where there's going to be a contested election. What concerns me, having worked for years in the legal profession, and looked at a lot of this, is any attempt to clean the world of us, that is, take off dead people, people who have moved and gone in other states,